全部都係啲超過1萬年嘅。
拍下佢，我就。This is our guide today. Please
Say hello.
Hello. Unfortunately, every time people take video of me, I flush.
頭先落佢嗰一剎啊，好勁啊！好壯觀啊
Okay. This area here has been hit with quite a few earthquakes in the last year and a half.
Oh.
One of them was 4.3 and was felt all the way into Reykjavik. But every day there are about 150 earthquakes here. Most of them you don't feel. Most of them are just so low that you don't feel them. But Iceland entirely has about 32,000 earthquakes a year.
32,000. We didn't feel it.
No, but most of them are just small. You don't feel them. They just show up on equipment that measures earthquake. But biggest earthquakes we've had in the area in last 10 years, 10-15 years is 2000, 6.5.
而家左右開工。
2008, 6.7
6.7
on the Richter scale. Quite powerful. We had one injury in both those earthquakes. One old lady was running down some steps after her grandson fell over, then when the earthquake hit and broke her collarbone.
Oh.
That was the only injury. Our houses don't collapse in earthquakes. We know how to build it. But unfortunately, our